Mail. So if you are a subscriber for the Craftpod, look away now or switch off, because this is the last bit. The December one arrived yesterday and comes in this lovely little box there, and then it's all in this packaging here, and then it's really lovely, and then you open it up and there it's got all the bits and pieces. We've got some tea, English tea, so I will enjoy that. And there's this lovely, it's obviously a swan themed, lovely needle holder. So the first one I've got of these, so I'll be using that because I'm in the middle of doing some cross stitch that I could do with a needle holder for. It is on my Christmas list, so hopefully one of my daughters will have got me that. There's a needle. So, and in here is some stuffing, because you make some stuffed swans. If I get the book out in a minute. That's the wooden hoop, and that's all the sort of autumn colours, which are really nice. So this is the book on the swans, and it comes with some white felt and some templates. So I don't know if you can see that. Some templates so that you can cut out the swans, and then you could hang them on your Christmas tree. And there's instructions, quite concise instructions on how to put them together. And then the actual the actual embroidery you're doing is this swan picture, which is beautiful. I haven't done any embroidery since I was about 10 or 11. Only recently started back into cross stitch. So this is sort of, I thought this would be sort of a way of getting back into it with full instructions, because I'm really keen to do some tablecloths and things like that for next Christmas, embroidered, so and hankies and things like that. So that is the picture. And then, like I say, it's really good with getting you back into something like this, because the instructions are so step by step. So yeah, so that is the Craftpod for December, and that is what you embroider on. So it's sort of gives you a helping hand there. So yes, I'm looking forward to doing that. Don't know when I'll do it, because at the moment I've got far too many Christmas presents that I'm making for the grandkids. But yes, I'm looking forward to that. So that's the Craftpod. Right, well, this was just a short one. I'm going to have my cup of tea now and enjoy my daughter's brownie, well, blondie, and I'll catch up with you next time. So please like and subscribe. Bye for now.